Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Slimfast Original Chocolatey Royale. So this is like a meal replacement drink and it helps control your hunger for up to 4 hours. So it's clinically proven when used as part of a Slimfast plan, don't know what that means, but there's 14 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, 23 vitamins and minerals, and it's gluten free. So in this meal replacement there's 260 calories, 14 grams of protein, 6.8 grams of fat, 36 grams of carbohydrate, with 32 of this being sugar, so it's kind of high in sugar. 4 grams of protein. There's 300 milligrams of sodium, 730 milligrams of potassium, and then it has a whole slew of vitamins there, which is really cool. I like to see that. And yeah, we're going to get into this and I want to give a review on it. I like the Slimfast protein shakes, but I haven't had the just meal replacement yet. Excited to see what this is all about. All right. Smells chocolatey. Smells kind of like the chocolate protein shakes they make, so I assume it'll be somewhat similar. Chocolatey Royale. Yeah. It kind of tastes like chocolate pudding. It's got that like strong chocolate flavor, but I kind of feel like this tastes like pudding. Not a bad thing though. It feels kind of thick, and I already feel it sitting in my stomach, and it's kind of heavier, which is cool because it's going to help with that hunger control that they talk about, so it's a nice bonus. Definitely getting the pudding vibes from that. That literally tastes like a chocolate pudding cup. If you've ever had a chocolate pudding cup, this is going to taste very similar to you. It's pretty cool. It's not too bad, only 260 calories, decent meal replacement, lower calorie, 14 grams of protein. The 26 grams of sugar, those, or 32 grams of sugar, something I don't really like, but it is what it is. One more sip of this, I'll give my final review. Yeah, that tastes a lot like pudding. So, if you're a chocolate pudding fan, you're in luck. This tastes exactly like it. It does taste different than the Slimfast protein shake that they have as well. I find this one's got more of that puddingy, chocolatey taste, and the other one kind of tastes more like a whey protein shake, so they're both good. I prefer the protein shake version, but this one's still pretty good for a meal replacement. I like it. So I'd give the Slimfast Original, on a scale of 1 to 10, a 7.5 out of 10. It has really great flavor, 14 grams of protein, and 23 different vitamins and minerals. That's amazing. Downside, 32 grams of sugar. It's a lot of sugar, so if you're going to drink this, make sure you get out and move a little bit so you're burning that sugar and it's not just being stored as fat. So yeah, Slimfast is pretty good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.